Hey y'all, it's your girl Shoglizzy, Shoshana or Show, and in today's video I'm going to be showing y'all how I created my new updated YouTube banner on my page, and I'm also going to show y'all how I create my watermark that you can see right here in the corner. And I use Photoshop and Illustrator, the two programs that I use for my graphic design stuff, the two programs that I learned how to use in school for graphic design. So yeah, I wanted to create this video because I figure there might be people that watch that want to know how to do it really quickly if they have access to those two programs. And yeah, so that's what this video is going to be for. I will say that I really do enjoy how my new banner looks compared to my other one. I really like my other one too. I'll insert a picture of my other one here. That was my style at one point, but like as a mutable Virgo, again, constantly, changing who I am a little bit. So with this new banner, it's more simplistic and more like what my current style is, kind of like just fresh and grown. I don't know, that's how I would describe it. So yeah, I decided to update the banner because I wanted to brand myself consistently across the board with my video thumbnails as well as my banner so that everything is consistent, and I'm using a new font in my thumbnails as well as the banner so that it's all consistent, so I'm easily found, and just so that if new people come onto my page, they'll be like, oh, that's Shoshana, that's Shoglizzy, that's Show. So yeah, before we get started, don't forget to follow me on Instagram just to keep up with the girl, and without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so here we have my old banner. As you can see, it's very edgy, very artsy and abstract, and very much like my old style and my old self. But when you look at the banner and then you look at my video thumbnails, I feel like there's not really any consistency there. So once again, that's why I decided to change it. And I'm gonna show y'all how we got to the next one. So here's the new banner, and it's very simple, but it's very fresh, very clean, very sophisticated. I'm using Dido. It's a very nice, elegant font, and looking at the new banner and then looking at my video thumbnails, you can see a hell of a lot more consistency. So yeah, just keep watching to see how I got this new banner. Okay, y'all, so first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my Illustrator application. Then I'm gonna click create new artboard, and then my artboard size is gonna be 2560 by 1440 pixels, which is YouTube's banner size. Once my document is created and open, I'm gonna go ahead and add another layer and then label background layer 1, and then layer 2 is gonna be text, just to keep myself a little organized. Next, I've just gone ahead and chosen this nude color that's gonna act as my new background for my banner. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and create this text box and start entering what my banner name is going to be, which is Shoglizzy. I've also gone ahead and centered the text so that everything's just in the middle, which is where it needs to be, so that it's in proportion to everything else on the banner. Here you see me changing the color of my text from black to white, just because I feel like the white pops a lot better against this background. And then now I'm going to go ahead and increase the kerning, which is basically the space in between the letters, just to give my text some breathing room, and graphic design terms in the building, baby. Now I'm hitting Command C and Command V, which is basically copy and paste, and then I'm gonna go ahead and change the color of Shoglizzy from white to black, and then I'm gonna drag this layer below the white, and then I'm going to adjust it so that I'm basically giving this text some three-dimensionality so that it kind of just looks like it's popping off the screen a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and create a new text box, and then I'm just dragging it out to like figure out the sizing for what text I'm about to put in there really quick. So here I'm just gonna be typing in beauty, and then right here I'm changing the font to Barthol, which is a condensed font that I'm using because I just want there to be a good balance between the text below my name and like what my information is going to say there. So yeah, but as a graphic design worker or whatever, sometimes when I work with words I be thinking I spell shit wrong, so that's why you see me kind of going back and forth with the word beauty. I thought I spelled it wrong. But anyway, I also decided to put the word in, put the words beauty vlogs lifestyle more in all caps because I felt like it looked better when I sized the text down and then put it below my name, as y'all will see. And I also sized it down because of hierarchy of information as to what's important on the banner. Now I've gone ahead and clicked Command R, which brings up your rulers, and I did that so that I could bring the text down in the middle, right in the smack of the middle of this banner, because on YouTube the information that you see in the banner is not the whole thing. It's mostly in this middle section here where you see my text. So yeah, that's pretty much why I did that, and you will need to do that too. Finally, I'm just going to File, Save As, and I'm saving this document so that it can be a working file for me in the future if I ever want to change anything. And then after that, you will see me export the document as a PNG file, which is what you'll upload to YouTube. Just be mindful that the more pixels that you have in the document, the bigger the file will be. So you don't have to have it be 300 pixels. It can be 72 and that'll be fine. Okay, so let's get into creating our GIF document, which is going to be our watermark for YouTube. So right now I'm in Photoshop and I'm creating a new document. It needs to be 150 pixels by 150 pixels, and that's going to be a perfect square, and that's the dimensions of the watermark for YouTube's dimension, so just be mindful of that. So next you're gonna see me here dragging out a text box. I am gonna be using Dido, and I'm just gonna be making my watermark the letters, the initials of Shoglizzy, which is SG. In the beginning here, you kind of see me fumbling around with the text size, because I wasn't too sure which was gonna fit perfect, but I kind of had to size it back down anyway because Dido has, you know, high X height, so and also has serifs, so I ended up having to size it down so that it fit perfectly into this box, which you will see. Next, I'm just optically bringing the text down to make sure it's centered. And then after that, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my text, and then I'm gonna change it from black to white. And then I went ahead and made sure that the background was transparent so that when it gets saved, when I do upload it to YouTube, it's gonna show up on my video, because if I don't do that, it's just gonna be white and then you're not gonna see anything. So just be mindful of that. So I apologize that the top half of the video is getting cut off, but basically I'm going to File, Export, and then I'm exporting this as a GIF, whatever the fuck it's called. That's what you're exporting, and that's just the file format that it has to be in order for this to show up on your videos. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you create your watermark, and yeah, I hope you guys were able to follow along with that and that you guys can create your own. Okay, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, once again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!